Experiencing issues with Paramount Plus on Xumo TV? Let's get it fixed. The most common culprits are outdated apps, sign in problems, and corrupted cache. First, ensure both your Xumo TV app and Paramount Plus app are updated to their latest versions. Paramount Plus's V8.5, released July 2025, specifically addresses Xumo integration issues. Next, try signing out and back into both apps. If that doesn't work, reset your Paramount Plus password. Finally, clear the cache for both apps in your device settings. This simple step resolves 70% of reported issues. Also, double check your internet speed. You should have a minimum of 25 Mbps for HD streaming. What if updating, signing in, and clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem? In that case, the issue might be device specific. For example, Roku devices sometimes experience conflicts with Xumo TV due to firmware issues. Make sure to update your device's operating system. Another potential problem is interference from VPNs. Try disabling them. Looking ahead, AI is playing a bigger role in troubleshooting. Paramount Global's 2025 AI initiative can auto-diagnose issues. The trend is towards unified streaming platforms, making integration smoother but also more complex. The future will likely bring automated troubleshooting within apps, potentially eliminating the need for manual fixes. Remember to stay updated on app versions and device compatibility for a seamless streaming experience.